it's your girl Arabia, and I am back with another video. This is gonna be another video on hair, and this is not gonna be a this is not gonna be a talk through video because, as you could tell, my voice is going away again. I have been sick for the past week, and so yeah, I'm not gonna do a talk through because I don't think me or my voice could make it. I haven't really worn synthetic wigs a lot, but the quality of them the quality of synthetic wigs has came a long way than it used to be back in the day. I'm a human hair type of girl. That's all I usually wear is human hair, but I decided to give synthetic wigs a try. And if it's your first time seeing me or you have never seen me before, the first wig that I had got that was synthetic, it was like an orange copper looking wig. It started off about this length, and then I cut it shorter into a bob, and I actually loved it. I was able to wear it for about 1 to 2 weeks before I took it off, and so that was like, I was in love with it. But I finally took it off and I tried another color, and I am loving this color. So the details on this wig. So like I just told you guys, I did get this wig off of Amazon, and I got it with Prime, so it did come within 2 days. The wig was, if I'm not mistaken, $39.99, which is a very, 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 very reasonable price. $39. I'm pretty sure you got $39 somewhere in your pocket. Girl, like, do you see this? Like, I'm just loving it. So I did order it Amazon Prime. It got to me in about 2 days after I ordered it. And this was the baggie that it came in, which is a Prime bag. And then inside of this bag, if y'all can see that, inside this bag came the hair bag. And it looks like this, and this is basically the company that I got the wig from. And of course I checked reviews and everything else. So yeah, it came in this packet, and it had like the thank you for shopping on the back. I'm sorry y'all, but my voice is like, oh, that's so good. They put 2 wig caps inside the packet as well. Now for this wig, I think it's like a 24-inch. Don't hold me to that, but I think it's like a 24-inch, and it's like a mint green. So what I used to apply my wig, I used a stocking cap, Got to Be Glued, which I'm almost out of. This is the Got to Be Glued Invincible Styling Gel. I jumped back and forth between this one and this one, which this is my old bottle. I actually am out of that too. I went and picked up another one. Alcohol and some cotton rounds. And if y'all don't know what these look like, I actually use these for my makeup when I'm taking off my makeup or whatever. But these are really good if you want to use these to apply the alcohol, just to get that excess dirt and oil from around your scalp before you apply the wig. Oh, and I used my handy dandy blow dryer just to get the Got to Be Glued dry a little faster instead of sitting and waiting on it to dry itself. I like to get it really tacky. So I will be having more videos like this, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please comment below and let me know your feedback. Follow me on Instagram at AdoreArabiaXO, and I will catch you guys in the video.
2 hours later.
And that is it for this tutorial, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I hope you love the color. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at AdoreArabiaXO, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.